In this guide, I'm gonna show you guys how to view your statements on Royal Bank of Canada app. Let's get started. First, open the RBC mobile app and log in using your credentials. Once you are in, look at the bottom right corner and tap on the More icon. From the menu, select Statements. Now choose the account you want to view statements for. This could be checking account, savings, or any other linked account. By default, you will see your last 6 statements. If you want to see more, just tap the arrow beside last 6 statements and you'll get additional date ranges. Next, click on the statement you want and it will open as a PDF file. You can zoom in and out to check all the details of your transactions. There's also another way to access statements directly from your account overview. From the home page, just select your account, then tap on View Statements, choose the date range you need, and again your statement will open as a PDF, and that's it. You now know how to quickly and easily view your account statements on the RBC mobile app. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.